Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has stressed the need of taking educational qualifications seriously. He was speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Sarvodaya Education Society in Kurchade. Chairman of Fomento Resources Avadhut Timlo expressed the need of learning multiple languages for overall development of a child.
Sarvodaya Educational Society celebrated its Golden Jubilee year. Various activities were performed by the students during the celebration. Current and the former headmasters of the school were felicitated by the Chief Minister. Chief Minister referred to the agitated parents in Vasco rape case. He said, educational qualification has to be taken seriously.
यांना काही पालक डिमांड करपाक लागले शाळाच बंद करूया म्हणून. थर एकट्यान विचारले अरे शाळा बंद केल्यार भुरगे कितें शिकतले. ताजेर 4 पालकांनी उत्तर दिले त्या मनशाक की नाय जाल्यार ते पास जातलेच न्हय. म्हाका दिसता हो डेंजरस ट्रेंड आहा. हो ट्रेंड खंय तरी कातरचो पडटलो.
Chairman of Fomento Resources, Avadhut Timlo said, it's beneficial to learn most of the languages than to concentrate on a single language.
म्हणजे 4-5 भाषा येता म्हाका. पण एकच भाषा घेवन बसपाचें अशें ना. गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर चड आमी प्रेशर हाडपा जायना. गव्हर्नमेंटाचें नांव परत काडपा जायना. आमकां शिकोवपा जाय. आनी शिक्षण आवय बापाय कडल्यान शिकपा जाय. शाळेंत शिकपा जाय. चड रस्त्यार व्हरपा जायना.
Mining industry expects that the Parrikar-led government would come out with a solution of mining crisis in couple of months.
हे गोंय बरें हातां आसा मनोहर बाबाच्या आनी ताका कळ्ळा प्रॉब्लेम कितें तें आनी तो वखद सोदता आनी वखदय ताका जवळ जवळ मेळना आनी 1-2-3 म्हयन्यांनी मेळटलें आनी तो तुमकां वखद घालून आमकां वखद घालून ते सगळें आमचें नश्ट करतलो.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Mickey Charitable Trust will organize Carnival Bash on 9th and 10th February at Betalbatim beach. World-class DJs will perform at this 2-day fiesta. Nuvem MLA Mickky Pacheco briefed the media.
This is concept, something like that. And this is more than the moon, burn and all other burns party. You all know that there are most of the function which is organized by such shows outside the North Indian or from other state, and they come and organize, which they don't even know our tradition. So this basically started to keep our traditional carnival.
The Carnival Bash will cater to Goan's DJs and metropolitan DJs around the world. Different food launch and entrepreneurs have come together to keep Carnival alive in Goa. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.